Hello, welcome to Consistently Hashing with Gaurav. You've seen plethora of tutorials on the internet. You've seen the titles as well. Build a search engine in 5 minutes. Copy this config to scale your DB. It looks great on a 10-minute video, but let's be real. Production does not work that way. When the traffic hits and the latency spike at 3 a.m., copy pasting code from a blog post is not going to save you. You need to know how the engine actually behaves under scale. I'm Gaurav, and welcome to Consistently Hashing with Gaurav. For the last 10 years or so, I have been obsessed with the messy side of software, distributed systems, and data infrastructure. Right now, I am at Stripe on the Document DB team working on the internals of our database engine. Before that, I was at Rippling and VMware, basically building the plumbing for a lot of infrastructure components like MongoDB, Redis, Kafka, and Kubernetes. I've spent a lot of time in the trenches dealing with incident on calls and figuring out why perfect designs fail when they hit the real world. I'm starting this channel called Consistently Hashing with Gaurav because I want a place where we can skip the hello world stuff. I want to talk about the brutal trade-offs we make every day. Why did this database choose this data structure? Why does that consensus algorithm fall apart under network partitions? We're going to start by tearing down Elasticsearch and a lot of other components, but we are going to look at it from the perspective of an engineer, not just a user. We look at the internals, the translogs, the distributed state, and we'll understand why things work the way they do. This channel is for those of you who want to move past the user space and get onto the kernel level. It's for those of you who want to move past the API and actually understand how the system behaves and why the system behaves the way it does. If you were the kind of person who asked, but why does it do that? You are in the right place. I'm Gaurav. Thank you for watching this video and let's learn together.